Set to go, good luck on your pick 5 choices. Stand by for a dispatch 1,300 meters. The 1,300-meter race is underway. Vanquisher draws for the early Don Mariano right behind in second, moving upon the outside. Then racing in third, Barang Heroes, Mount Dulang-Dulang, Heritage, and a long way back to Polyok Island. As they race towards the half-mile pole, these two collided in front. Running by the Vanquisher, Don Mariano is on the outside. Mount Dulang-Dulang moving up to take third. Dropping back in Poris, Batang Heroes, Heritage, Polyok Island. Rounding towards the 600. Now we have the favorite. Don Mariano takes up the running. Vanquisher shuffle back in second and racing in third. Mount Dulang-Dulang, Batang Heroes as they race for home. Don Mariano this time by about 2 lengths. Vanquisher still in second. Mount Dulang-Dulang still in third. And Batang Heroes. And down the stretch they go. Don Mariano this time by some 3 to 4 lengths. Vanquisher is viral. Mount Dulang-Dulang on the outside. Don Mariano of Mr. Big Boss James Rabano wins the race over Mount Dulang-Dulang. Then comes Vanquisher, Batang Heroes, Polyok Island, and number 5 Heritage.